When should you reach out and speak with a medical malpractice attorney? Want to know the answer to this question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about a question that we get on our website and through emails all the time. And that question is, well, when should I reach out to try to hire a medical malpractice attorney? In my opinion, I think that you should try to do it as soon as possible. At least speak with the medical malpractice attorney as soon as possible. And the reason why I say that is because under Maryland law, a lot of things have to happen for these cases to be successful. For example, you are going to need a medical expert who will look at the record, who will look at the facts of your case and give an opinion as to the standard of care. In other words, what would a reasonable and prudent doctor do under the same set of circumstances as your doctor? Your medical expert has to give an opinion as to that standard of care and whether your treating doctor violated that standard of care, causing your injury. To be able to do that, your expert, like I said, is going to have to review your medical records. Your expert may also need to do an examination of you. If this is a childbirth injury case where your child may have had a brain injury, then the expert is going to have to do an examination of the child to look at how the child is doing. You may need vocational rehabilitation experts. You may need economists. You may need all of these people to help with your case. So that's why I say it is very important that if you suspect that medical malpractice may have happened to either you or a loved one in a wrongful death or your child in a possible birth injury case, that you speak with an attorney as soon as you can. Now, one other thing I want to talk with you about, because we get this question as a follow-up with when should I speak with an attorney? And that is, well, will I always need a lawyer or an attorney in a medical malpractice or a personal injury case? And when I say personal injury, I'm saying, let's say, for example, a car collision case. That is also a question that we get. As it pertains to medical malpractice, my answer is that, in my opinion, yes, you should always have an attorney in a medical malpractice case because of some of the issues, the critical issues that I just quickly explained to you. Now, when we talk about, let's say, again, a car collision case, things may be different because there are times, in my opinion, that you should go ahead and do that case without an attorney. Let's say, for example, that you think that the offer that the insurance company is giving you is fair, it is reasonable. And add to that, you know that deep down, you are not going to follow up with your medical care. You don't have the time to. You can't be making all of these these physical therapy treatments. You can't make all of these treatments. You have work and other things, other obligations. Well then, if all of this is going on, then it may be in your best interest to go ahead and try to do the case on your own. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because I'm trying to give you insight into this process. I'm trying to help you understand some of the things that have to happen if you are going to bring a Maryland medical malpractice or a wrongful death or a childbirth injury case. I'm trying to help you understand why a thorough investigation at the front end is so important. If you have questions about your medical injury or your child's birth-related injury, or like I said, a wrongful death issue stemming from possible medical malpractice, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And what is that next action? To go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions just like yours all the time, and I will be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.